Thrive with diversity and culture at the Coventry Arundel House, the ultimate student accommodation built with love in Coventry to make you feel right at home. Get ready to be spoiled with luxurious en-suites and studios that are perfectly decked out with the fluffiest of beds, spacious study areas, wardrobes for your designer threads, and your very own private washroom. And if you're in the mood for some company, the social spaces are a great place to make new friends, while the fully equipped gym will keep you looking and feeling your best. When it's time to hit the university, simply stroll down to Coventry University in just 6 minutes or hop on a bus or train to reach City College Coventry in a jiffy. And when hunger strikes, Hadramat Mindy Restaurant is just a 10-minute walk away, serving up some of the tastiest lamb and chicken dishes in town. As for drinks, Phoenix Pub is a mere 3-minute walk from your door, perfect for weekend shenanigans with your mates. And if you need to stock up on snacks or essentials, the nearby Sainsbury's supermarket has got you covered. So why wait? Join the party and start living your best life in Coventry at Coventry Arundel House. Head to amberstudent.com to book your spot today.